Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem binary tree tilt. So given a root of binary tree and we have to return the sum of all the nodes in a tilt tree. So what is tilt tree? Let's read. The tilt of a tree node is absolute difference between the sum of all the left subtree nodes values and all the right subtree nodes values. If node does not have left child, then the sum of the left subtree node values is treated as 0, and the rule is same for the right subtree as well. So here if you see, if we construct the tilt of this tree, first we will check for this. So we should know the sum of all the nodes of left subtree, so which is 2, sum of all the nodes of right subtree, which is 3, then we will take absolute difference, which will be 2 minus 3, absolute difference is 1. Now once we go to there is no left and right subtree, so the 0 minus 0, which will be 0. Similarly for this side, so all the leaf node will have automatically 0, and then we will construct internal nodes and up to the root nodes. So first of all we will go to the leaf of this leaf nodes, and then we will construct from the bottom up approach. So how we can process, like which DFS approach we will use here. So we need to process first left and then right subtree, then the root node. So the traversal we will use here as a post order traversal. So let's understand this over here. So first we will get this node, we will have to construct the tilt of this node. So first for this we should know the sum of the left subtree and the sum of the right subtree all nodes. So we will call left, and so here we will get the left as the left sum, let's say left sum, and from right we will get the right sum. Similarly here we will call again, and here as well, and here we will call again, and from here we will get the 0 for the left, there is no left of 9. So from here there is no node, these are the leaf nodes, so this will become 0. Similarly this will become 0. Once it is 0, this will pass the 3 to this. So we will pass whatever left sum of that node, left sum plus the right sum of that node, right sum plus the value of that node, the node we are processing, let's say root dot val, the current node we are processing, we will return this. So this will be the total sum before this node and including this node value. So this will return 3 to this guy, and this guy will return 5. So this will become 2, 3 minus 5 will become 2. So here it is 2. Similarly this guy will return 7, this will become 7 because there is no left. Now this guy will have to add up this node value itself. So 2 plus 2 and 9. So this will become total sum of, like including every node. So this will be 3 plus 2 plus 5. This will be 5, 3, 8, 10, and here it is 9, 16. So this will become 6. So this is how we will solve this problem. So let's implement the code. So for the code, first of all we need a variable which will count the total tilt. So int, let's say define a global variable result. Now we will call the helper method tilt for root, and we will and then we will return the result. So once we got into the tilt method, this will return the tilt and get the root node. So here we will check if root is null, then we will just return 0. Otherwise we will call first for left subtree. So tilt of left subtree, which will be root dot left, and then same we will call for right subtree, the tilt of root dot right, and we will update our result, the whatever the result we are getting left plus. So this will become math dot absolute of left minus right, and for the parent we will return the sum, like left plus right plus the root dot val. So this will return the sum including everything, and this we are updating tilt by the including the difference on that node. So this is how. So here first we will call here, so this will be call left and right, here we will get 0. So this node will get the here root dot value here 0 0. So, this absolute difference of tilt will become 0 added here, and this will return the 0 plus 0, which is 3. So, this node will return 3 to parent. Similarly, this node will return to the 5 to the parent, and result so far is 0 only. Similarly, now we will calculate the difference from this. So, we will add the tilt 3 minus absolute difference, which will become 2, and we will return 3 plus 5 plus 2 to the parent, which is 10, to this guy. So, this is how it will work. So, let us compile the code and see if it is working. So, there is a typo, I guess. So, let us see. Yeah, it is a typo. This will be right. So, let us see. So, it is working now. Now, we can submit this, and it is accepted. So, the time complexity of this solution, as you can see, we are just doing the post order traversal, iterating all the nodes, which is O of n, and the space complexity as this the constant, and the whatever recursion call stack takes, that's it. So, if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.